Amazon Prime big deal days, early deals. At number 25, at number 25 we have the Amazon Kindle Scribe Essentials. This is usually $550. Right now it's $371. That's a pretty good $32 discount. You also get a premium pen, a leather folio, and it's a Kindle and a notebook all in one. You can write in books as inspiration strikes. Now, let me tell you that links to all deals are in the description, and I'll also put one comment with all the links. Number 24 is the Garmin Forerunner 55. It's a GPS running watch, and more than 4,000 have bought it in the past month. $200 normally, it's just $148 right now. It comes with up to 2 weeks of battery life and up to 20 hours in GPS mode. It uses GPS to track how far, how fast, and where you have run. If you're a runner and you're looking for a watch that'll help you with your running, this is the one to buy. At number 23 is the Ninja Blast Portable Blender. It's great for shakes and smoothies. It's usually $70. Now, with a 29% discount, it's just $49. You can easily blend frozen ingredients too, and it makes up to 18 ounces of your favorite blends. And it got a huge range of color. At number at number 22 is the Keurig K Express coffee maker. $110 normally, it's $79 right now. It'll brew 3 cup sizes, 8, 10, or 12 ounces. It'll make delicious coffee in just minutes. It's got a range of colors and it's actually very smart looking. At number 21, we have a television, the Hisense 55-inch E6 Cinema Series, a QLED 4K UHD Smart Fire TV. It's usually $430. Right now, it's at $279. That's a 35% discount, very considerable. With QLED color, you get to see the exact hue of every blade of glass on the field and every line on the court. It's made up of quantum dots. It comes with total HDR solution, Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. If you're looking for a 55-inch television, this is a great choice. At number 20, we have the Shark Air Purifier for large rooms in your home. It's got a HEPA air filter and it works for 1,000 square feet of area. It's usually $330. Right now, it's at just $169. That's a 48% discount. It delivers 4 speeds of purification. The HEPA filter is anti-allergen. There's an anti-allergen nano seal that captures more micropollutants, exceeds HEPA standards. So it's definitely a good air purifier and at almost a 50% discount, a great deal. Coming in at number 19 is a Shark Wand Vac cordless hand vac. Just 1.4 pounds. It's got very powerful suction. It's portable. Usually $130. Right now, only $79. This is a bagless vacuum, ultra lightweight, powerful cordless suction, and it's very easy to maintain. It has a detachable dust cup and easily removable filter housing. At number 18 is the Roku Streaming Stick Plus 2025 4K and HDR Roku streaming device. Usually $40, right now just $29. America's number one TV streaming platform. Brilliant 4K picture and vivid HDR color. A great choice. At number 17 is the Keurig K Elite single serve K cup pod coffee maker. Brew size is 8 to 12 ounces. It was $210 and right now it's exactly $139. That's a 35% discount. It brews multiple cup sizes 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 ounces. It also has a strong brew button that increases the strength and bold taste of your coffee. It has a reasonably large 75 ounces water reservoir. Coming in at number 16 is another Keurig K Supreme single serve K cup pod coffee maker. It offers 4 brew sizes. It was $190 originally. Now it's just $109. That's a cool 43% discount. It offers multi stream technology that extracts more flavor and aroma. You can brew a stronger cup or brew hot over ice for refreshing iced coffee. This also has a 66 ounces dual position reservoir. Coming in at number 15 is the Garmin InReach Mini 2. $400 normally, now only $249, a 38% discount. It's a handheld hiking communicator, satellite communicator. It enables two-way messaging. It has track-back routing for navigating back to where you started from. Number 14 in a list is a Shark Vac Mop cordless hard floor cleaner. It was $100 originally. Right now it's $59. It's got a 40% discount. It delivers powerful suction as well as spray mopping. It's a complete cleaning solution. It comes with vac mop disposable pads and delivers spotless cleaning. 13th in our list is the Shark Liftaway Upright Vacuum with power fins. It was $300. It's now $179, a 40% discount. Its power fins provide continuous cleaning contact and digs deep into carpets and directly engages with floor. It is engineered to pick out more hair with no hair wrap feature, and it also has powerful pet hair pickup. Next up at number 12 is another Shark Stain Striker portable carpet upholstery and area rug cleaner. It was $150, now it's $109. It's a portable carpet and upholstery cleaner with also the pet mess extractor. Its dual activated formula, ultra powerful suction removes spots and stains, perfect for pets, cars, and whole home cleaning. It also instantly and permanently removes stubborn, lingering odors, even pet urine and smoke. Our number 11 deal is a Shark Upright Vacuum Cleaner. This is a Navigator Liftaway. It's $200 normally, right now it's $149, 25% discount. Lift away the detachable pod and easily clean above floor areas like stairs, furniture, and more. Works with a HEPA filter to trap 99.9% of dust and allergens inside the vacuum. It's great for pet owners too. Taking the number 10 spot is the Shark Air Purifier for home. It was $250 and right now it's just $169. It comes with Clean Sense IQ. There's a display that will show you your air quality as it changes in real time. It exceeds HEPA standards. You also save on costly replacements with the never change long lasting filtration. In the first 5 years alone, you'll save at least $150 on pricey replacement filters. A great air purifier. Taking the number 9 spot is the Amazon Fire Max 11 tablet with an 11-inch display. Usually $280, right now it's $189. It has a vivid 11-inch screen and 2.4 million pixels that lets you see every detail. It comes with a powerful octa-core processor, 4 GB of memory, and Wi-Fi 6 for fast streaming, responsive gaming, and quick multitasking. Hitting a number 8 spot is again an Amazon Fire HD Kids tablet. It has an 8-inch HD screen and is ideal for ages 3 to 7. You save up to $70 on a full-featured tablet. You get 6 months subscription to Amazon Kids Plus content, and it comes with a kid-proof case. And you also get 2-year worry-free guarantee. It comes with easy to use parental controls. An excellent choice for your kid if you're looking for a tablet. At the number 7 spot, the Shark Pet Cordless Vacuum Cleaner was $300 originally, is now $149 with a whopping 50% discount. It delivers incredible cleaning with hyper velocity suction and has up to 40 minutes of runtime. A removable hand vac means it transforms into a handheld vacuum for lightweight above floor cleaning. Taking the number 6 spot is the Amazon Fire HD Tablet 8. It's got an 8-inch HD display, 3 GB of memory, and 32 GB space. You will enjoy seamless streaming and gaming, and it also comes with a 5 megapixel rear camera. It has an all day battery, offering up to 13 hours of reading, browsing the web, watching videos, gaming, and listening to music. Comes with 32 GB of storage, but offers up to 1 TB of expandable storage. At the number 5 spot is another Amazon tablet, the Amazon Fire 7 Kids tablet, again for ages 3 to 7. This 7-inch kids tablet includes ad free and exclusive content, has a 10-hour battery life and 16 GB space, and it's purple in color. You get a 2-year worry free guarantee. Amazon Kids is included, includes 1 year of Amazon Kids. Number 4 is another Amazon tablet, the Amazon Fire HD 10 Kids tablet. Again for ages 3 to 7, this has got a bright 10.1-inch HD screen. Again, ad-free and exclusive content, great parental controls, 13-hour battery, 32 GB space. Comes with a 2-year worry-free guarantee, 1 year of Amazon Kids included. It grows with your kids. You can use filters to adjust the content they consume. Number 3 is the Amazon Fire HD Kids Pro tablet, which has got an 8-inch HD screen. This is for ages 6 to 12. Includes ad-free content, parental controls, and 13-hour battery life. It's for your kids ages 6 to 12. It comes with a 6-month subscription of Amazon Kids Plus. Again, 2-year worry-free guarantee. Easy to use parental controls, long lasting battery, safe web browsing. Hitting the number 2 spot is the Amazon Fire HD 10 Kids Pro tablet for ages 6 to 12 with a 10.1-inch HD screen. $190 originally, it is just $104 right now. By the way, our number 5 spot Amazon Fire 7 Kids tablet was $110 originally, is just $54 right now with a 50% discount. A number 4 spot Amazon Fire HD 10 Kids tablet was $190 originally as just $104 right. And a number 3 spot Amazon Fire HD 8 Kids Pro for 6 to 8 years was $140 originally and is just $64 with a 55% discount, a massive discount. Coming back to the number 2 ranked deal, which is Amazon Fire HD 10 Kids Pro tablet. It has a 10.1-inch HD screen, 32 GB of space, 13-hour battery. Finally, at the number 1 spot is the Fire HD 10 tablet. This is the newest model. It's got a 10.1-inch vibrant full HD screen, octa-core processor, 3 GB RAM, 32 GB of space. It was originally $140 and right now it's only $69. That's almost more than 50% discount. It delivers 25% faster performance than previous generation, 1080 pixels full HD display, brilliant colors, 13-hour battery life, 32 or 64 GB of storage, 5 megapixel front facing camera, and much more. A great choice. So, those were our 25 early deals of the Amazon Big Deals Day 2025. All links are there in the description. If you like the video, do like, share, and subscribe to Up on Top for more videos like this one.